In this video, you'll learn how to create APIs using Kimi AI. This tutorial will guide you through the necessary steps to effectively use this tool for API creation. Start by navigating to the Kimi AI platform, open your preferred web browser and enter the Kimi AI website address. Once the page loads, you should see the interface featuring options for visual coding and agent swarm capabilities. This is your starting point for creating APIs. Next, locate the prompt area on the interface. You will find this section prominently displayed, allowing you to input commands directly. Click on the prompt area to activate it and prepare for your input. This action should highlight the text box indicating that it is ready for your command. Now, type in the command to create APIs, specifically enter the phrase create APIs into the prompt area. Ensure that you have typed it correctly, as this will determine the output generated by Kimi AI. The text should appear clearly within the prompt box. After typing your command, click on the enter key to submit it. This action will trigger the Kimi AI to process your request. You may notice a brief loading indicator or visual feedback that confirms your command is being processed. Wait patiently as the system begins to generate the API. Once you have submitted your request, you will need to wait for the system to generate the response. This may take a few moments depending on the complexity of the API and the current load on the Kimi AI servers. During this time, it is important to remain patient while the system works on your request. After the generation process is complete, the output will appear in the designated area on the interface. Review the generated API details carefully. If the results meet your expectations, you can proceed to utilize the APIs needed. If adjustments are necessary, you can repeat the process with modified inputs. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.